everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often discussed, but rarely fully understood: relationships with younger women. Whether you're in one or considering it, there are some critical do's and don'ts to keep things healthy, respectful, and balanced. In this video, we'll explore 10 things you should never do with younger women. Stay tuned to make sure you're not making these common mistakes. Let's get started. 1. Don't be condescending. Let's kick things off with one of the biggest no-nos: being condescending. Age does not determine intelligence or capability. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking you have more life experience, therefore you must know better. But being dismissive or patronizing only creates resentment. Every relationship thrives on mutual respect. Instead of assuming you know best, take time to listen and understand her perspective. You might just learn something new. 2. Don't assume maturity levels. Assuming someone is immature solely because they're younger? That's a huge mistake. People mature at different rates, and many younger women possess incredible wisdom and insight. Judging someone based on their age rather than their character and actions can cause you to miss out on a truly meaningful connection. Appreciate her for who she is and what she brings to the table. Age doesn't define maturity. Experiences do. 3. Don't control their life choices. Next up, never try to control her life choices. Whether it's her career path, friendships, or hobbies, respect her autonomy. A healthy relationship is built on support, not control. Trying to dictate her choices will only lead to frustration and, ultimately, distance. Support her dreams and be her biggest cheerleader. After all, a true partner encourages growth, not stifles it. 4. Don't compare generations. Constantly comparing your generation to hers can be detrimental. Phrases like "back in my day" or "you millennials/Gen Z, yes always" can create a divide. Each generation has its unique challenges and strengths. Instead of comparing, focus on understanding and bridging any gaps. Find common ground and embrace the differences. It's those very differences that can make the relationship exciting and enriching. 5. Don't rush the relationship. Patience is a virtue, especially in age gap relationships. Rushing into serious commitments can be overwhelming. Take your time to build trust and understanding. Let the relationship evolve naturally. Good things take time. Enjoy the journey without putting unnecessary pressure on what lies ahead. 6. Don't overlook power dynamics. One critical aspect to be mindful of is power dynamics. An age difference can sometimes create an imbalance, consciously or unconsciously. It's important to ensure both partners have an equal voice in the relationship. Avoid making decisions unilaterally or dismissing her input. Fostering equality means valuing each other's opinions and working as a team. 7. Don't neglect emotional needs. Emotional needs are a fundamental part of any relationship, regardless of age. Don't fall into the trap of assuming that because she's younger, her emotional needs are different or less significant. Be attentive to her feelings, her concerns, and her aspirations. Open communication is key. Make sure you're both on the same emotional wavelength to avoid misunderstandings. 8. Don't be insecure about age. Let's talk about insecurities. Being constantly self-conscious about the age difference can create unnecessary tension. Confidence is incredibly attractive. Focus on what brings you together rather than the number on your birth certificate. Confidence is the glue that holds relationships together. Embrace your connection and let go of age-related insecurities. 9. Don't stereotype based on age. Avoid stereotypes. Not every younger woman fits into the same mold. She's an individual with her own unique personality, goals, and values. Don't rely on cliches or generalizations. Get to know her for who she is, not who you think she might be based on her age. 10. Don't ignore the future. Finally, don't ignore discussions about the future. It's essential to have open and honest conversations about your long-term goals, especially if there's a significant age gap. Aligning your visions for the future ensures that both partners are on the same page. Whether it's career goals, family planning, or lifestyle preferences, clear communication about the future helps build a strong foundation. Age gap relationships can be wonderfully fulfilling when navigated with care and respect. By avoiding these 10 common pitfalls, you can foster a relationship that's built on mutual understanding and shared growth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you experienced any of these challenges? How did you handle them? Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, take care and be kind.